Now you are okay.
Oh, thank God. So, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And so, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And how is it going your day?
Yeah, my day is going good. So, and what about you?
Yeah, okay. Can you introduce yourself
Yeah, sure.
little bit?
Thank you
Yeah.
for me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kalpana. I'm from UP, and I am a homemaker as well as I run a YouTube channel. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done my Master of Art in English and B.Ed. So that's all about me.
Okay. So, are you YouTuber?
Yes,
What's your YouTube channel name?
English with Kalpana.
Okay, so how many subscriber do you have right now?
At right now, 627.
Okay, so when did you start your journey, YouTube channel?
My about 8 months ago.
8 months ago. Okay,
But
great.
my English journey is about was about 6 months ago.
6 months ago. When you start your speaking journey, then you start also your YouTube channel on YouTube channel.
So
I think.
I create my channel before spoken English journey.
Okay, before your starting journey, this is start
Yes.
journey. Okay, so can I introduce myself also? Yes, my name is Soni. Basically, I belong to Uttarakhand, but currently I live in Delhi with my family. And there are 7 members in my family, and I have completed my graduation from Delhi University. And recently, currently I'm working in a private sector in HR and management department. And if I talk about my hobbies are like reading books and watching motivational videos. And yeah, in my leisure time I want to spend time with nature and plants. So that's it all about me.
Yeah. So do you have YouTube channel?
Yeah, earlier I have one YouTube channel, but not regarding this, blogging and cooking channel. But currently, I'm not working on so because I have not much time, so that's why I'm not working on YouTube.
Okay, okay. So
Yes.
do you have
Sorry,
do you
your voice is break. Can you speak
okay
again?
do you have kids?
Yeah, I have 3 kids, two daughter and one boy. My elder daughter is 10-year old, and my second daughter is 6-year old, and my son is 5-year old. Yeah, yeah. Do you have also children?
Yes, I have one kid, and
Okay, and
he is 10 years old, and he is in sixth standard.
okay, that's great. Okay, so can you ask any question? You can ask if you have any question. You can ask
So
whatever.
do you live in a joint family and nuclear family?
Yeah, I live with you can say nuclear family, but I live with my in with my in-laws.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes. So you
So
have also live with, I think, nuclear family.
yes, but my family is a joint family, but my in-laws lives
Mhm.
in a village, and I live in a
Okay.
city. Yeah,
Okay. So where do you live?
I live in a Pilibhit.
We live with UP.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So, you can say what is the reason of behind the learning this language, if any specific reason, and you can say like improving yourself just.
Yeah, actually, first reason is that I'm passionate about this language since my childhood,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
I want to improve my speaking skills for my son and for myself.
Okay, so you means you will not plan any plan for future like a job regarding anything else.
If
You
I
have
yes, if I get chance, if I get opportunity to
mm,
for a job, then I can I will
okay,
do. Yeah.
okay. I think great. So I think you are also Hindi medium student.
Yes, I love to teach, so I want to teach in an English medium school.
Okay. So right now you are teaching any coaching and in home tuition like this
Yes,
kind of
I
things.
some kids at my home.
So which subject do you teach for children?
All subjects
In
because
all
yeah,
subject apart from or means you can say including English subject also.
yes, yes,
So I think you have very good chance and improving you and also kids also.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. So and I
Okay.
have never focused on my speaking before,
Hmm.
and then after some time I did not aware of this language, and now I need to learn this language, so that's why I'm learning.
Okay. Yeah. That before starting your journey, you have some knowledge, some you can say some kind of you speak like sentences or not?
No,
No.
I have never spoken English in front of anyone before
Anyone.
starting the channel.
Okay. You have only knowledge something about the English language, but you
Yeah,
cannot speak any. Hmm.
I have done my master of art in English, but
Okay.
yeah, but I never tried to speak in English in front
Okay.
of anyone.
So, but you, if you have 1 month plan, I subscribed, so I completed. And but if I talk about English Yari, so this platform is very good, but very costly. You can say only 16 session. You can say like the price was 3,000, 3,200. Yeah, very because the timing is only 15 minute, 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, and apart from this, and also doing like watching videos and reading part. That's it. And what do
Yeah.
you do for your practicing?
I take a session
Uh-huh.
when I get
Mm-hmm.
free and I
Mm-hmm.
listen. It.
With co-learner, yeah, other apps,
No, I'm not using other
anything.
apps
Mm-hmm.
with co-learners
With
like
co-learner. Okay.
YouTube.
Mm. Okay. So how is your experience like in this journey?
Very good,
How
and
it
I'm
means
very
how many challenges do you face, and what kind of motivation do you feel like no, I'm doing every day attending session?
yes. First of all, I feel very happy at this time. I'm speaking in English,
Yes.
and yeah, when I demotivate,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, I know this thing. No one can get success in a one single day.
Yes,
So
yes, definitely.
everything takes time.
Yeah,
So
definitely. Mm.
yeah, when I do this work continuously, and then
Mhm.
I would be fluent one day.
Definitely one day you will be good command this language. Yeah.
So now, should we wind up this session?
Sorry.
Should we? Sorry, should we wind up this session now?
Yes, yes, yes. So, do you have taken lunch?
Yes, I have taken.
Okay, so okay. But I'm not. So after this finished session, I because this time is my lunch time, so that's why I'm always connecting with a co-learner in this time and also morning time. So if you have any, you will have time, so we will connect again.
Okay, definitely.
Okay,
Sure.
so nice to meet you, and thank you so much for giving me opportunity for discussing this
And
topic.
there no need to thanks.
Yeah, because I think we are planning for 4 5 days, but we have not matched our time, so that's why. Yes.
So
So
bye.
okay, bye.